So there is now another 3DS emulator. It's for the Virtual Boy, and today I'm going to test that out. So there's multiple ways you can go about using this emulator. One is by using FBI and downloading the CIA to your home screen. And another way is by using the homebrew launcher to use the 3DSX file of it. It should just be right there, as you see. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to be using the CIA file, the one that's at the home screen, because that makes more sense for the process of this video. So you need to make sure that the folder that your ROMs are in is called VB with no capitals. That's a mistake I made. So then I fixed that. And yeah, I'm gonna test some ROMs. So I only decided to test 4 Virtual Boy ROMs, and the first one I decided to test is Mario Tennis for the Virtual Boy. Mario's Tennis, sorry. And there's a bunch of glitches, like the text, you'll see in a second, but while you're playing, Mario glitches out a lot, or whoever you're playing as will glitch out a lot. And it generally, I feel like, runs okay. I hope they improve the quality over time, but it runs perfectly fine. Like, as you see, Mario's glitching out, which is no fun, especially if you're trying to play this game. So yeah, here's a montage of glitches. So moving on to the next ROM, the next one I decided to test is 3D Tetris, and this one, pretty interesting, crashed my 3DS. What the heck? Oh my gosh, it crashed my 3DS. So I decided to skip over that ROM. Didn't really have any faith in it. So I decided to move on to Wario Land. Whatever it was, Wario Land, I forget what it's called. And it didn't really run well. I couldn't get it to run at all. These games seem to take a while to load, so I'm just gonna let it load. So yeah, this game did not want to run. I couldn't get it to start up. The FPS is crazy though. Like, it was going like 90s. So I decided to move on to the next one, because those 2 ROMs didn't work. So I decided just to try Mario's Tennis again, and it turns out the audio was working again this time. But there was no point of me trying it again, so we're just gonna move on to the last ROM, because there were the same glitches this time. Closing it and opening it again doesn't do anything. Try out one more ROM. So the last ROM I'm trying is Mario Clash. I generally have no clue what this game is, but it just didn't want to work. It crashed all the time. It wouldn't load. I turned up all my brightness to make sure I wasn't just like not seeing it, and it just didn't want to load. This emulator seems to not be very well optimized with some of these games that I tried, which was kind of annoying, but hopefully in the future it works. Oh, okay. I'm not gonna get this to work. Great. This is annoying. Oh well. Goodbye. So would I recommend this emulator to anyone? No. It's not well optimized with some of the games, and I just don't think it's that good right now. I think you should wait a few months, see if anything changes, if there's a new release, and then maybe try it, but I don't recommend it right now. I mean, the Virtual Boy wasn't even that great of a console, so I don't know why you'd want to play it. But I mean, we're all different, so. Okay. Hope you enjoyed. Keep watch for me trying this again once the next update comes out. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.